Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a direct deposit form for Fifth Third Bank. The first thing I want you to do is come to 53.com, hit here on the search icon, and just type in direct, deposit options or deposit options, and then hit search. And what I want you to do is just come here. Once the results populate, click on deposit options, Fifth Third Bank. It'll redirect you to this page right here. And basically what I want you to do is go ahead and scroll down until you see this section where it asks you to download this direct deposit authorization form. So just go ahead and click on it. It will take you to this PDF, and you can actually edit the PDF while you are on here. So you can go ahead and type in things, for example, your last name, first name, everything you want, all the details. You can toggle these as well, okay, accordingly. And once you're basically done, you can go ahead and save it. Click on download. Here, the download icon, you can download with changes. You can also go ahead and print it out. But that is how to get the form. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.